Hi everyone, I'm Anya. This is your Cricket Tips Daily News brought to you today by Blue Chip, where we bring you all the biggest stories from the IPL as they happen. In the latest update from the Indian Premier League, KL Rahul has etched his name into the history books yet again, registering his 7th season with over 500 runs. The milestone places him joint second with David Warner for the most 500-plus run seasons in IPL history, just behind Virat Kohli, who holds the record with 8. Rahul's landmark was achieved during the match between Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians at Wankhede Stadium. Although he managed only 11 runs in that particular game, his consistent form throughout the season has been nothing short of remarkable. So far this season, KL Rahul has scored 504 runs in 12 matches at an impressive average of 56.00 and a strike rate nearing 149. What's even more noteworthy is his ongoing streak. Since 2018, Rahul has crossed the 500-run mark every year. In fact, 4 of those seasons saw him go beyond 600 runs, a feat unmatched by any other player. Despite his team's 59-run defeat to Mumbai Indians, Rahul's performance continues to be a beacon of consistency and class in the IPL. His ability to deliver year after year underlines why he remains one of the league's most reliable and respected batters. In a noteworthy moment during the IPL 2025 season, Faf du Plessis has added another accolade to his illustrious career. The former South African skipper stepped in to lead the Delhi Capitals in their recent match at Wankhede Stadium, after regular captain Akshar Patel was ruled out due to illness. At 40 years and 312 days old, du Plessis became the 4th oldest player to captain an IPL side. He now joins an elite list of veteran leaders that includes none other than MS Dhoni, who holds the record as the oldest captain in IPL history at 43 years and 317 days. Du Plessis's appointment as stand-in skipper highlights not only his enduring fitness and experience but also the trust placed in him by the Delhi franchise. Known for his sharp cricketing brain and calm leadership, he brings years of international and IPL experience to the role. While the result on the day didn't go Delhi's way, du Plessis's milestone underscores his lasting impact on the league. Even in his 40s, he continues to play a vital role, both as a top-order batter and a respected leader on the field. As the IPL season progresses, all eyes will be on whether du Plessis continues to take on leadership duties and how his presence shapes Delhi's campaign. That wraps up today's Cricket Tips Daily News, brought to you by Blue Chip. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your IPL and PSL updates, and check out the latest odds at cricketips.com. I'm Anya, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.